All right. Yeah, good day, guys. Probably know me, but I'll introduce myself again. My name is BNF, and right here, I'm gonna walk you through a tutorial on how to engage with your leads and make more sales. Because basically, our target here is to engage on this with these leads, make them trust us, and then we move on to warm outreach before moving on to cold outreach. So this system is like an operating system. You can see right here, I have a lead list, and on this lead list I have about 100 or something leads right here. You can see that clearly. So now what happens here is this: we have a specific format we are following. Take for example, we have this first lead right here, William Watson. So right here we have day 1 comments, day 2 likes, day 2 comments, day 3 likes. Now before day 1 comments, there's supposed to be day 1 likes. Now I have a record missing here. So not to deal with that, we can still use it. So let's move on. Take for example, this is my first lead. So all I have to do right here is open TikTok with the link. Just gotta go to the TikTok profile, head back to TikTok, take a second to load. How TikTok works. So this is how you can copy single I3. So let's go. Good. You go here. You go to your app. So it loads. So while TikTok is loading, I'll just go back to my Airtable. I'm gonna close this. Alright, I'm just gonna open this back so that you see what I'm trying to do right here. So now you can see for each of them we have a record to fill. So we are not just bombing randomly, shouting people that are not interested in our business or whatsoever we do. So we want people that are interested, people that are engaged. So I know you might ask, where am I getting my leads from? My lead source. Yeah, so there's an automation I have created, and automation right here that I can get leads from keywords, from pain points. So basically it's not public yet. Only people that are on the execution cover, so you have access to all these tools. Same thing goes with the Airtable. You have access to it, so that you don't have to go through the stress of setting yours again. So right here you can see. Now let's head back to the TikTok. Okay, TikTok is still loading. Yes, my network is a bit poor today. Well, not to mind that, let's manage it. So right here you can see we are in his profile, and he has 1.2 million likes, 75.9k followers, and he's following 595 following. So now this is a lead, a good lead. Yeah, so what do we do here? We are gonna like 3 of his posts, his most recent post. So right here you can see he has 3,000 views on this post, he has 8,000 views on this post, and he has 4,000 plus views here. So the first one, I'm just gonna click on that. Forgive my network, it's really bad today. Alright, currently I'm not logged in on TikTok on this browser, but still, you know what to do. So we're gonna like 3 of the posts and comment. So when we head back to our Airtable, if you know you have done that, the 1 likes, you mark it that done. You know you have commented on it, you mark it as done. Then you can leave that. So the beauty of it is you track everything right here. You can see the 1 comment is done and the 1 like is done right here. So you can see that. So now we know that we are waiting for day 2 and the 2 comments. So yeah, that's how you do for all of the leads right here. So when you fill in till this process, till the theory comment, then we are ready for DM. So you can mark ready for DM, and finally here's where you send the DM. So the DM message, and if the lead responded, you can mark responded. If it does not respond, you can send a follow-up message. You can say follow-up needed. And if it does not reply or respond after the follow-up, we don't want to waste our time on that client. You can just close the client, as we'll delete it from the record. Basically, that client does not belong here. So now, once again, I'll brush over everything. So how am I getting my leads? I'm getting my leads from an AI automation I set. I'm scraping them from social media, TikTok. So after scraping my leads, I import them on Airtable right here, and that's why you can see my leads here. I have about 190 leads in total. Yeah, so once the leads show up here, all you have to do is day 1, you know what to do. You go and comment and come and mark comment. You like, you mark like. Day 2, you do the same thing. Day 3,
every day I talk to